Welcome to ACE. Today we have to discuss the 16th October 2020 Shift 1 SSC CHSL Pure Maths questions, right? Question number 1. So cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1, right? Cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1. Then find the value of sin theta plus sin square theta, right? So cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is 1 means what is cos power 4 theta? Cos power 4 theta is 1 minus cos square theta, right? So what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta means cos power 4 theta is sin square theta. Cos power 4 theta is sin square theta. So what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is sin theta, right? Now, so here, what is sin theta? In place of sin theta, substitute cos square theta. And in sine square theta, we have to substitute cos power 4 theta, right? So sine theta plus sine square theta, we can write it as cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. But already we know what is cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. That value is 1. So sine theta plus sine square theta value is how much? 1. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay, right. And then question number 2. See, question number 2, again trigonometry question. So cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is 0. Cos of a plus b is 0. So where cos is 0? At cos 90 degrees, right? So a plus b is how much? 90 degrees. A plus b is 90 degrees. Similarly, sine of a minus b, another one is given. Sine of a minus b is 1 by 2. Where sine is 1 by 2? Sine 30, right? At sine 30 degrees. So a minus b is how much? 30 degrees. A minus b is 30 degrees. What is asking? Then find the value of b. B value is asking. So cancel. What happens? 2b equal to how much? 60 degrees. 2b 60 means b is how much? 30 degrees. So what is angle b? Angle b is 30 degrees means option D. Again, option D is the right answer. So here, direct question. So cos value and sine value in terms of numbers is given. So we have to find angles, right? Then question number 3. Third question. So now it's a geometry question. See, here again I'm drawing the diagram I'm drawing, just see. Okay, so P, Q, R, S, T, S, T. So is the diagram here P, Q, R. P, Q, R is a triangle in which angle P, angle Q, angle R. That is in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. So PQR, angle P, angle Q, and angle R in the ratio of 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1. So what are the angles? The sum of three angles is 180 degrees, means each angle is how much here? This is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, right? 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3 means the angles are in the ratio of 30, 60, 90. Sum is 180 or not? 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 plus 90, 180 degrees, right? So angle P is how much? 90 degrees. Angle Q is how much? 60 degrees. And angle R is how much? 30 degrees, right? And next, and PR is perpendicular to RS. PR and RS both are perpendicular to each other. Means here angle is how much? 90 degrees. So PR is perpendicular to RS. PR is perpendicular to RS. So here it is forms 90 degrees. Then what is TRS? Sorry, what is a TRS? What is this angle? Very simple. Angle on a straight line is how much? Angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So 30, 90 means theta is how much? 60 degrees. Or else we'll write here 30 plus 60 plus theta equal to how much? 180 degrees. So what is TRS? What is theta? Theta is 60 degrees. Theta is how much? 60 degrees. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Right? And then next one. Question number 4. Question number 4. See, I'm drawing again. I'm drawing the diagram. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC, and AQ is bisector of AQ is bisector of PAC. PAC bisector. PAC bisector. So this angle and this angle is equal. PAQ is AQ. AQ is a bisector of PAC, not ABC. It is a bisector of PAC. Then what is the measure of angle PAQ? So what is this theta value? This theta value is how much? So some values is given. That is, this is angle B is 60 is given here, and angle C is how much? 30 degrees is given, right? So 30 degrees is given, right? So 30 60. So 30 60 degrees is given. So 30 60 degrees means, so this is also 90. So 90 degrees. So here this is 60 degrees is 30 degrees means 90 60 means what is this angle? This angle is 30 degrees, right? Just see, 60 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle PAB. Angle PAB equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, what happens? Angle PAB is how much? 30 degrees. PAB and 30 వచ్చింది. And not only that, so this is a 30 and this is 60 means what is the total angle? What is the total angle? That is again 60 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 30 degrees plus angle A equal to how much? 180 degrees. So what is angle A? Angle A is how much? 90 degrees. So total angle is how much? 90 degrees. So total angle is 90 and this is 30 degrees means what is angle PAC? PAC equal to how much? Chudandi. So this part is 30. This total is 90 means the remaining part is how much? 60 degrees. That means 90 minus 30. That is how much? 60 degrees. PAC is 60 degrees. PAC 60 degrees means what is this theta? This is theta. Theta means this total angle is 60. This is 60 means each part is how much? 30, 30. So why? Because AQ is angular bisector. AQ is angular bisector. Angular bisector. Right? Therefore, angle PAQ. Angle PAQ equal to how much? 30 degrees. So, what is angle PAQ? PAQ is 30 degrees. That means 90 degrees. How it is bifurcated? Just you observe 30, 30, 30. In this question, this is 30, this is 30, and this is also that. The total 90 is divided into 3 equal parts. So each part is how much? 30 degrees. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 30 degrees. Okay, right. Then next one. Question number 5. Question number 5. So algebra question, x plus 1 by x question. Just see, if x plus 1 by x equal to 4, find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So what is the formula we know? If x plus 1 by x equal to a, if x plus 1 by x equal to a, what is x square plus 1 by x square? If x plus 1 by x equal to a, what is x square plus 1 by x square? A square minus 2. If x plus 1 by x equal to a, x square plus 1 by x square is a square minus 2. That is, x square plus 1 by x square is how much? 4 square minus 2. That is how much? 40. Again, power 4 means one more time we have to make. That is, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Again, we have to square. That means what happened? 14 square minus 2 means 194. So what is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 194. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Then question number 6. Sixth question. See, the area of a square field is 7,200. One square. What is the area of the square field? What is the area of a square? A square is how much? 7,200. Then what is A? A means this we can write as 2 into 3,600. 2 into 3,600. So 3,600 square root. A is a square root 2 into 3,600. So 3,600 square root is 60 root 2. So what is the side of the square? The side of the square is 60 root 2. The side of the square is how much? 60 root 2. Then what is the diagonal? What is the diagonal? Diagonal is how much? Root 2a. What is the diagonal of a square? Root 2a. So d is how much? Root 2a means 60 root 2 into root 2 means how much? 120. So what is the diagonal of the square? The diagonal of the square is 120. So option C is the right answer. Simple question. Area is given. So from that side we are finding. If you know the side means diagonal, easily we can find. That is 2 root a. Okay, right. Then question number 7. See, if A is a natural number, then A square, then A square plus 7A is divisible by. This is not a pure maths question, it's an algebra question. Just see, if A is a natural number, then 7A square plus A is put something A equal to A value. I'm putting A equal to 1. A equal to 1. If put A equal to 1, what will come? 7 plus 7. That is how much? 14. That is 14. Now tell me simply. So 14 is divided by only 7. 7 and 14. 14 only 21. Both 7 and 14. 14 is ruled by with 7 as well as 14. So what is the answer? So option B is the right answer. Very simple question. So one A expression is given. Put expression in that expression. Put A equal to some value. So we are getting a number. That number is divisible by which of the? Just you have to check. Me just check code. Okay. Right. And then the next one. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? If A and B are positive real numbers, if A and B are positive real numbers, and 4A square and 4A square plus B square equal to 20 and AB equal to 4, AB equal to 4, what is the value of 2A plus B? A and B are both are positive real numbers. He is telling both are positive real numbers. So just you check what is A and B, what are the chances of A and B? Just see. So 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4 or not? So if A is 1 and B is 4, 1 into 4 is 4, and here it is satisfying or not? Just see 4 into 1 square plus 4 square. That is 20 or not? 4 plus 16, exactly 20. So what is A? A is 1 and B is how much? 4. So A is 1 and B is 4. What we have to find? We have to find 2A plus B. What is 2A plus B? That is 2 into 1 plus 4. That means 6. So option C is the right answer. So option C is the right answer. 6 is the right answer. Okay, right? A simple question is given. A simple question is given. Only thing we have to identify A and B. A, B value and identify చేయాలంతే. అంతకు మించి ఇంక చేసేది ఏం లేదు. Okay, right. Then next one, question number 9. Again, a trigonometry question. Again, a trigonometry question. Just see, cosecant theta equal to given. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to given. So cosecant theta equal to how much? X square plus y square by x square minus y square. Then find the value of tan theta. Tan theta. Actually, anytime a trigonometric ratio is given, that question we have to solve by using Pythagoras theorem, right? By using Pythagoras theorem. So this is theta. What is cosecant? What is cosecant? Cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is x square plus y square. Hypotenuse is x square plus y square, and opposite is x square minus y square. X square minus y square. Then what is adjacent? It's a combination. So x square minus y square, 2xy, and x square plus y square. It is a combination. So right angle triangle combination. What is the right angle triangle combination? X square minus y square, 2xy, and x square plus y square. Right? లేదు సార్ I want to use Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Then we'll get 2xy only. Right? What we have to find? Tan theta. What is tan? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? X square minus y square by adjacent. What is adjacent? 2xy. So what is tan theta? X square minus x square by y square by 2xy is the right answer. So x square minus y square by 2xy. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Right? So combination. Sir, పోనీ వేద్దాం ఇక్కడ. So if you, sir, I don't know the combination. So ఈ values తో నా combination తెలీదు. Then AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? X plus y whole square equal to x minus, sorry, x square plus y square. X square plus y square whole square equal to x square minus y square whole square plus BC square. So what is BC square? BC square equal to A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is 4AB. That is 4x square y square. That means what is BC? BC is 2xy. What is BC? BC is 2xy. అదే వస్తుంది. So no need. Actually, it's a combination. X square minus y square, 2xy, and x square plus y square is a combination. Okay? Right. And then question number 10. Question number 10. Again a question. See, A plus B is 8. A plus B is 8. and AB equal to 12. AB equal to 12. A plus B equal to 8 and AB equal to 12. So just say 8 avale. So 8 avalante 6 2 is how much? 6 2 is 12 and 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. Avuna? Exactly. So AB equal to 12 means 6 2s are 12 and 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Both are satisfying or not? So what is A? A is how much? 6. And what is B? B is how much? 2. That's it. A is 6 and B is 2. Substitute in A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube. That is 6 cube plus 2 cube means 216 plus 8. 216 plus 8 is 224. So 224. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Right. Then question number 11. The proportion among the three numbers is 3 is to 4 is to 5. 3 is to 4 is to 5 means what are the three numbers? 3x, 4x, and 5x, right? And the LCM is given. What is the LCM is given? LCM is 1800 is given. But we know we can find the LCM of 3x, 4x, and 5x. So what is the LCM of 3x, 4x, and 5x? So LCM is simply multiply the numbers. So 20, 20 through 360. So 60x. So we know LCM is 60x, but in question it is given it 1800. That means 60x equal to how much? 1800. So x equal to how much? 30. So x is 30. So x is 30. What is asking? Find the second number. Find the second number. What is the second number? 4x. So 4x means 4 into 30. That is how much? 120. So option A is the right answer. So 120 is the right answer. Right? Then next question number 12. So it's a geometry question. See, if the diameter of the circle, if the diameter of the circle bisects the two chords, see, in a circle, if a diameter is drawn, and the diameter bisects the chord. So bisects the when it will bisects when the chords will bisect if it is passing through the if a perpendicular distance is drawn from origin. If a perpendicular distance is drawn from origin, then only it will bisect. So here it is forming 90 degrees. Here also it is forming 90 degrees. So if two are 90 degrees means for a line, if two perpendicular lines are drawn means both are which lines? Parallel lines. Both are which lines? Parallel line. So this and this both are which lines? Parallel. So option B is the right answer. Right? Then question number 13. Again a geometry question. See. So again I'm drawing here. Just see. In a circle, so it is passing through diameter. Yes. So S O R, right? And here, so this is P Q. So O P O Q, right? Now what is given? This is M and this is N. Then find the value and OQ equal to QR. OQ equal to QR. These two are equal. Then find the value of M in terms of N. Find the value of M in terms of N. So M value in terms of N we have. That means we have to get relation between M and N. One thing, just see, triangle PQO is a which triangle? Sorry. Triangle QOR. Triangle QOR is a which triangle? QOR. Two sides are equal means it is a which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, corresponding angles are equal. So this is 10 means this is also N means this is also how much? N. That means that is angle QRO equal to angle QOR. Both are QRO and QOR both are equal and that is N. Okay. So this is N means this is N. Then coming to here. For this QR triangle, for this QOR triangle, what is this angle? For this triangle, this is the exterior angle or not? For this triangle, it is exterior. What exterior angle property says? The exterior angle is equal to, that means angle PQO. Angle PQO equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. What are the opposite interior angles? N and R. That is N plus N. Which property? property number 4. That means this is how much? 2n. Again, OQ and OP both are which triangles? OP and OQ both are radius. So both are radius. So it is a triangle. POQ is a which triangle? Is an isosceles triangle. It is also an isosceles. In isosceles triangle, corresponding angles are equal. So this is 2n. That is angle OPQ equal to angle OQP equal to how much? 2n. So what we want? We have to find the value m in terms of n, right? Now again you see in triangle POR, in for triangle POR, for this triangle, for POR, what is M? M is exterior angle or not? So M equal to the exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. What are the opposite interior angles? 2n and n. So 2n plus n. Which property? Property number 4. Property number 4. So M equal to how much? 3n. So what is the relation between M and N? The relation between M and N is M equal to 3n. Actually, this is a circle question, but total it is belongs to triangles concept properties. Only two properties. One is isosceles triangle, and second one is property number 4. That is the exterior angle is equal. The exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Okay, circle question kanabadutundani. So total question belongs to a triangle. Okay, right. So what is the relation between M and N? M equal to 3n. Right. So these are the questions related to this SSC HSL pure maths. Okay, right. Thank you.